I think as human beings, everybody has a natural gift and a natural passion, but then you go outside and you get influenced and you feel pressure from what's going on outside. And so, you know, I read one time, like, would you rather be at war with yourself and at peace with the world, or at peace with yourself and at war with the world? And that was powerful. My advice would be define who you are and what you are and be clear on that, meditate on that, and then live and die by it. Can't break the rules, the fundamental rules. Be a man of your word. Do what you say you're gonna do. Respect people the way you would like to be respected. My sales pitch used to be, you know, if it's garbage, throw it out the window, bro. I know your lifestyle, because it's my lifestyle. I'm speaking to your lifestyle. It's very concise what the content of this record is. But if it's garbage, toss it out the window. I just want $5. Your ups and downs, so just a philosophy or a point of view on how to look at the journey. You know what I mean? You got where you at, you got where you're trying to be. And then you got all this shit in between that's not gonna matter when you get here. You're gonna lay in the bed you make. You're not gonna get away with nothing in terms of the energy. You know what I mean? You might beat the camera or the police. They might not catch you for what you're doing, but the energy is always gonna return to you. So when you just living in this cycle of being negative all day and just putting out negativity and that's the only energy you putting out, it's gonna return to you in different form than you put it out in. So I would just say, you know, master your energy. Do your best to master your energy and what you put out, you know, and unless that's what you want, you know, because you entitled to whatever you want to create, whatever experience you want to create for yourself. But if you're tired of that shit, adjust the energy. You know what I mean? As best you can, adjust what you wake up thinking and what you say.
All right, so this is the properties. We had a bunch of tree growth. We had a heat only system in here. This was a furnace only. We installed a heat pump by Toso. Heat pump. New thermostat on the wall. This is the kitchen. So this is the living room right here. It's a window unit. It's a kitchen. Very leaky faucet. Shelves are in good condition. So we are also bust the wall. We did termite, just looking for termite. You don't see any signs of termites. Wood looks very good. Did find an ant colony up here, but no signs of termites. Ants, so we just get that treated. But all the studs look good. We put 2 new breakers, one for the air handler, one for the condenser unit. Right. We got supply ducts. This is the hallway right here. This is a old attic fan. Well, a house fan that works. Bathroom with a storage room attached to it over there. But it's an existing sink. It need to be replaced. Probably put a new toilet. Tub look good. You need cleaning, maybe painting. It has a little ceiling fan in the bathroom. This is another room. Like I said, we cut that sheetrock open, look at the termites. We did find the termite damage only on the baseboards, but the framing looks good. Cut into that wall. Framing looks very good. No signs of termite damage on any of the framing. It's both sides. Looks very good. Right. Like I said, only the baseboards. Baseboard needs to be replaced. Like I said, baseboard, paint. This ceiling fan here looks decent. May need to upgrade that. Ceilings look good. Got some supply air vents. Now we have heating and cooling. Got a closet. Nice little closet here. Insulation. Got another closet. Towel and linen. It's a drop drawer for your clothes. It's another bedroom. Like it had a window unit in it. Ceiling fan. Closet. Look around this one. Nice spacious bedroom. Also cut into this wall and for any termite damage. Wood look excellent. This side. It looks good. Only the baseboards, which gonna need to replace all the baseboards in the house. Take this window unit out. We have central air now. Another nice room. Everything looks solid and good. It's a water heater. 1988 is going to need to be replaced. Kenmore. Take a look on the outside. Now we got a condenser unit. '17 SEER. Heat pump. Take that window unit out. Backyard overgrowth. All this gonna need to be cleaned up. The back door looks solid. Another little storage room. Another storage room. I think this was added on. Like gutters. That tree right there was overgrowth. I already cut that one. It was leaning on that fence. I think the whole thing needs to be cut down. They say overgrowth. The lawn go all the way back to that gate back there. So once all that cleaned up, should be good. They say it's an add-on storage. Right. That's the back door. Street view. Homes around it. Nice front yard. Need gutter repair. Gutter look like it's in good shape.
Double up, yeah. 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time humble us. Double up.